Hello, today we are going to talk about India Shleter Home Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for India Shleter Home Loan. Having monthly salary which is fit to cover EMI. Applicant age should be between 21 years to 60 years for salaried person and 21 years to 65 years for self-employed. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 500. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 5 lakh to 50 lakh. Tenure will be up to 5 years for salaried and up to 20 years for self-employed. Login fees will be 5,900. Rate of interest will be 13% to 20% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 2 to 3 days. Insurance and other charges will be 2% to 4%. Foreclosure charges will be nil for individual. Processing fees will be 2% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed. Home loan OD product is not allowed. Products are new purchase, plot purchase plus, plot plus construction. Co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 1 year. Job experience for salaried person is 1 year. Experience with current employer should be 1 month. Location is 40 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are any profile where collection is not comfortable. There is no negative property. There is no specific product. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2 year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company, or list of partners, if applicant is partnership LLP.